Lightning is the biggest threat to radar platforms. Traditional lightning arresters cannot protect metal towers because they attract lightning strikes to the tower. Instead of the conductor cable, lightning current travels through the tower body and still damages the radar platform and other equipment. Lightning must be kept away from radar platforms. MTO presents EvoDis Lightning Prevention System. EvoDis Lightning Prevention System makes the metal towers invisible to lightning strikes. EvoDis system divides the charges into smaller pieces and dissipates them away from the tower. This process prevents the lightning strikes to the tower and keeps them away from the radar platform. All equipment on tower remains safe. EvoDis system has been applied to thousands of metal towers worldwide and protecting them with 100% success for the past 18 years. Lightning is a serious threat to radar platforms. Keep lightning strikes away and stay safe forever.